I'm looking at reviewing the advanced biscuits. Sorry, that's my cat Ollie, who's very hungry. The advanced adult biscuits in chicken today. Come over here, Ollie. Ollie, come here. So let's have a look at these biscuits. So they come in a big bag, a 3 kilo bag, which is great. So it lasts us probably a couple of months. It's for adults 1 to 8 years or older. Ollie is 17, but he happily eats these biscuits. What I love is they're Australian made. They're great for his skin and coat. Great for cleaning his teeth and digestive health as well. So our cat Ollie has had urinary tract issues. So it's great for, as you can see on the back, great for urinary tract health, oral health, and they're great for healthy skin. What I love about these bickies is they're quite small and easy to chew. Come here, Ollie. I'll put some out on a plate for you. Here, box. So this is Ollie. He's our 17-year-old British black. Oh, yum. He loves those bickies. So we normally give him bickies of a night time with a big bowl of water, and we just give him a handful and he comes and snacks on them during the night. We also compensate his biscuits with a bit of wet food as well on the side. But yeah, highly recommend these biscuits. As you can see, he loves them. And yeah, I think it's really important to buy good quality biscuits. Especially Australian made biscuits, but I just think you don't want to have issues with urinary tract or dental issues, and if you can prevent some of these problems occurring, definitely buy, if you can, the more expensive biscuits, because we had that issue, as I said, with urinary tract. I was buying some cheaper biscuits, and this was many years ago, and poor Ollie had to go in for surgery, so we have been feeding him better biscuits since then. But yes, very yummy, very tasty. He loves them. He loves the little size as well, so great for an indoor cat, which Ollie is as well. Lots of protein, but yes, highly recommend the advanced biscuits.